And we're back to Inkscape 1.5 updates. Let us talk about the new swatch menu. I create a rectangle and you can left click on the swatches to change the color. Now if it has changed here, you can cycle through that swatch set, and if you click on these three stripes, you can adjust your set. Inkscape default should be active by default, but you can pick any of these and configure them. Configuration is only for the swatch bar below. Nothing truly changed here, but we now have under view a new swatches menu. Make that a little bit bigger. Document swatches should be empty by default. Let me pick, here's the Inkscape default. And you can see now all of them, you can left click on them. As long as your shape is selected, it gets it then as a fill color. Some of them don't have hex codes, instead they're name coded, for example here under Ubuntu. And then you can search for a certain color that you're looking for, maybe aubergine. Keep in mind that whatever you select here in the swatches menu, it's not going to change your bottom swatches right here. So I've set that to gold and my menu is set to reds, so this doesn't change with it. If you want to get back to the default, make sure to click on the three stripes and then select Inkscape default, and the configuration, I believe it was 2 rows only by default, so set that back. And that's the new swatches menu in Inkscape. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.